I have seen that look of shame on my boyfriend's face that cannot be described in words. When everything ends in just a few seconds and he turns away, avoiding my eyes. I understood, because it was not just his pain, it was mine too. But one day, he told me that he had tried some exercises that can be done completely at home, without any cream or pill, in just a few minutes. I did not believe it at first, but after 1 month, everything had changed. Today, I'm going to tell you those same methods that actually work. No false promises, just the truth that nobody talks about openly. If you also feel that you cannot last long enough, the biggest reason is that the gland of your penis is too sensitive. But do not worry, because you can fix this problem yourself at home, without any cream, condom, or pill. I am going to show you 2 simple exercises that can be done in just 5 minutes. Do not be afraid. You will not cause any harm to yourself, and you will not lose sensation either. You will still feel pleasure, but you will be able to last significantly longer. First, it is very important to understand where the greatest sensitivity is. Usually the gland may be sensitive overall, but there are certain spots that are extremely sensitive, such as the frenulum, the inner layer of the foreskin, or the coronal sulcus. Sometimes the underside of the foreskin becomes inflamed due to oversensitivity, which can lead to an inflammatory condition that affects the gland and the inner layer of the foreskin. One major cause of this is pathogenic microflora, but the result is always the same, meaning the sexual act ends very quickly and the overall sexual life gets affected. The method used to fix this problem is called gland toughening. In this method, you gradually train your gland to become less sensitive, which solves the problem of premature ejaculation for many men. The first exercise is for frenulum stretching. In most men, the frenulum is very short, and during sexual intercourse, it stretches and becomes highly stimulated. Since the frenulum is not trained, there is no control over ejaculation, and everything happens very quickly. For this exercise, you need to hold the frenulum from both sides with your fingers, and then slowly stretch it for 5 to 7 seconds while exhaling. Do 15 to 20 repetitions like this. The entire set will take only 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, there is no need to apply anything to the penis. It is recommended to do this exercise in the morning and evening. After about 1 month, you will notice that the sensitivity during penetration has decreased, and you are able to last much longer. The second exercise is for those who do not know which part of their gland is too sensitive, or whose entire gland is very sensitive. In this exercise, you gently pinch the gland with your fingers and then lightly tap it for about 3 to 5 minutes every day. After about a month, you will notice that your gland has become less and less sensitive. You will still feel pleasure, but you will have much better control over your overall arousal. Remember that consistency is the most important thing in both of these exercises. Do them daily and you will definitely see results. If these exercises do not make a difference, you can also consider pills, creams, special condoms, or consulting a specialist. But for most men, these exercises work really well. If you need further help, check the link in the description and book a free consultation.